Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you mind-blowing concept laptop that's Lenovo unveiled at MWC 2024. This laptop has 17.3-inch transparent display made out of microLED. That's right, you can literally see through the screen. But here's the cool part: display can also switch on opaque mode, so you can use it a regular laptop. The laptop also comes with a transparent keyboard which adds a futuristic look and feel. Now it's an important note. This laptop is still in concept mode. It's not available for purchase. But Lenovo claim that's the transparent display can be used for some pretty cool things like overlaying digital information onto physical objects. Imagine being able to use notes on a piece of paper while still using your laptop, or you could use it on transparent display to get real-time instruction while working on a project. These possibilities are endless. What do you think, guys, of this transparent laptop concept? Let me comment below.